Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn for loops in Python. The for statement iterates over a block of code as long as the condition remains true and it is limited in scope. Well, let's talk about the difference between while loop and for loop. While loop iterates limitless or infinite. For example, in my last video, I just created a simple basic while loop program in which I assign a number and give an input, guess the number. If the user put the correct, then it will print you did this. Otherwise, it will ask try again, guess the number. Try again, guess the number, as long as a specified condition goes true. In for loop, you can set limit. For example, you can set the range. It rates 10 times 1. To create a basic example of for loop, you need to type for a variable name, then a range function. Inside it, you need to put the value, say 5 and colon, then you will get indentation, which is a block of codes of for loop. Then print, say hello. It will print 5 times as hello, 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 hello. Okay, let's multiply these things by clicking multiplied by 2. It will print hello, hello, like so on. Then let's see what the I value holds. Okay, I, then click, you will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which means the starting number is from 0 and it counting from 0 to 4, which equals to 5. Okay, so the 5 is not coming in inside the for loop. Okay, then there is another option, which is a starting value. You can customize the starting value. For example, here I want the starting value from 1. Here, look out, first value is starting value, second value is a stopping value. Then you will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there is one more option, which is stubs. Here we can cut the values. For example, say 2, then you will see 1, 3, which means 1 comes in, 2, 3 will be skipped, 2 will be skipped, 3 will comes in, 4 will be skipped, like this. If say I want a odd number, let's put a long range. Here you can see odd number 1357, like this. You can put even number 2, say 10, and here 0 from start even numbers. Let's say 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, like this. Okay guys, let's do exercise. Create a 2 table using for loop and the range from 1 to 10. For example, let's say I need like this, print 2 multiplied 1 equal to 2. From 2 ones are 2, 2, print multiply 2, 1, 10 equal to 20. Like this I want it. So do this for I in a range like this. The starting value must be 10, 1, then ending value 11, then print. Wait. Here you need to create one more variable, say equal to I multiplied by 2 times, then print inside the double quotes, say 2x, then put comma, say I, then put comma, then one more double quotes inside it, equal to symbol, then put comma, then you need to declare the value equals value. Print, you will get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and so on. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe it, and share it with your friends. Thank you.